Who needs a gym? Just get a shed.
Just get a shed and break it. Missed you, buddy. Didn't miss you that time. Oh, damn you fool!
Right. Hello, dear friends.
Hello.
We're going to be very busy today, and you're going to join us.
Indeed.
Would you like to tell them what we're doing?
Today,
Oh, quite the tour.
taking that thing right there, smashing it up real good. So, first things first though, safety first. So we're going to dismantle the door, any windows, there's no glass.
Yeah.
So I don't want glass on me.
So we've got gloves, got eye protection, and we do have some dust masks if it gets bad.
I doubt it, but you know. But yeah, stick around and see the magic happen.
Stay far away.
It's like 3 spiders just immediately descend.
Oh, poor thing. This required a rescue. This is part of Dave's birthday present. He gets to smash.
So, turns out we were wrong. This was not a dog kennel, but probably more like a child's playroom thing. Because I just found these little things in there.
Oh wow,
don't
that
think-
horse is really quite cool.
I don't think a dog would have had much use for these.
Tiny plant pot.
A broken tiny plant pot.
Take that sticker off. Oh, look how cute she is. That's such a cute find.
So yeah, I guess we're keeping these. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm not that fussed about them to be honest, but sure, they can live there for now.
It's quite something.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely I think a kid's playroom.
Yeah. That explains the little ladder.
Yeah, it's got a little ladder that goes up.
And goes up there. So who knows what we'll find there.
Yeah. What indeed? Maybe a kid would sleep up here, maybe, or something.
Maybe. Yeah, not anymore. Look at that mould. Yeah.
Yeah. Not the most habitable looking thing, but. Oh, dead spider. I think so. Yeah, I think it's dead. Because that's definitely guts.
Oh yeah, that's really good. Thanks. Now it's in the camera.
Awesome. Missed you, buddy. Didn't miss you that time. am pretty fucking stubborn. Oh, you bastard. Not good to move. Ah, well, there you go. Hit it so hard my watch broke off.
There you go, he's lost his watch. It's broken.
Wow. That's the night that I didn't put there. No more. Yeah.
Stubborn.
Actually, I'm more stubbornly put on than I thought. Of course.
Can you have a look at the...
It's got a beam that goes right in. Yeah, so it's going in here. Oh, damn you fall! Beat you to the ground. From hell's heart, I stab at thee. I do this for heaven's sake. I spit my last breath at thee. Maybe Dick. Someone knows. Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't look like that's going to go anywhere still. We are on.
Okay. Wow. Had a lunch break.
Yeah.
We're now returning part 2. As you can see,
Looks great, doesn't it?
the roof is coming off slowly. I need to really weep at the other side, but I'm not really sure how I'm going to get to it because it's such an awkward place. Alright, there you go. That did it.
Yeah, lots of
We're okay!
So while he's doing that, so I'll show you this broom that we found. It's just fallen to pieces. So this was inside. So I guess that explains why the rest of it's falling apart too. Right, let's have a look at what Dave's been doing. This is it so far. That roof is being really stubborn, it just doesn't want to come down. Dave's just taking the inside of the beams in there, like he has with this one. So we're hoping once we take those out, that maybe we can take out these beams and hopefully the whole thing will fall forward so we can access it properly. Good job so far.
Hello there. Wow. Yes. It's been quite fun, good fun actually. Definitely a bit of a workout, I have to say.
Who needs a gym? Just get a shed.
Just get a shed and break it. You know, with a sledgehammer. And that'll do it for you, really. So far, you know, it's been a lot of death, a lot of broken dreams, broken homes. I'm referring mostly to the spiders. A few of them didn't escape my wrath. That was quite satisfying, just watching them splatter a bit. Picture it now. Oh, I'm gonna sleep well tonight. But yeah, it's gonna be nice to come up here and you don't see that crappy little thing anymore.
Yeah.
You know?
I was thinking maybe we could put a bench in there or something.
Bench would be nice.
Down. Yeah, because the wall will provide quite good cover from the wind.
And privacy.
Yeah.
You know, just gonna, and once that's gone, we can get to that tree.
Yeah, and
get
finish
rid of
cutting it down.
Yeah, get rid of it
I
properly.
was thinking maybe use the trunk to make a cat scratcher. Cat scratching post.
Because Tilly really needs those.
Yeah.
Also, as you can see on that roof, part of my handiwork flew over there.
Yeah.
And it's
pieces of wood.
It's gonna be there forever. Because there's absolutely no way we can get to it. Because that roof will not hold a person's weight, especially mine. So the next time, you know, whenever I come up here and I look over to that roof and see that piece of wood, I can think back to this lovely moment. You know, it's like a little memento.
A reminder.
A reminder.
Yeah. Right, I'm gonna end it there.
Yes.
And we'll catch you guys later.
Almost there.
Man strength.
What?
Said man strength.
That's how it's done. And now, for part of the grand finale. Or not.
You know how to use it?
Talk me through it.
So, one hand here, one hand you press that button, the other press that button.
So folks, that's pretty much it. End of the show. Pretty much what's left now. Our task is complete. Mission fulfilled. Lots of spiders were evicted. They're kind of now,
Yeah.
you know.
Look at that cycle.
Look at those. One there. Yeah, there's one right there as well.
Wow. So many of them.
There's a lot of them that basically just left. Walk down. That all feel pulverised. There's another one right there as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Another one up there.
So this was their home. And now
And
it's gone.
No more.
No more.
And that. Firstly, you can see the little tripod you guys were sitting on. You were on this. Very good. With the extension cable so that it didn't run out of battery. And this is our pile of rubber. Beautiful pile.
Mm-hmm.
So we're thinking maybe we should practice making bonfires. Maybe not in this corner though, because that would panic the neighbours.
Safety hazards. Thing is, now actually, that's probably given the cats far more room to go like
Rummaging through.
rummaging through. And
They'll all come out and be curious.
Yeah,
They'll want
they'll be
to
like,
investigate, see what you've done.
That was a thing there.
Yeah, well that's really good that it's gone because it was a hazard. And it probably would have fallen down anyway, as you saw the
It was caving in.
roof
so,
was caved in, yeah.
Yeah. So, well, I feel like this should be closed on some kind of profound thought, but I really can't think of one other than like David likes to smash.
Yeah.
And smash he did.
Always finish what you've started. Alright, so guys, cheerio. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.
Wonder how that will be, but yeah.
Bye.